Today we're going to be making another balloon airsoft grenade, but this time we're going to use real pellets that look like this. They're metal and they're more dangerous. So you'll need a balloon, some pellets, and that's pretty much it. First, you take the balloon and get some pellets and put them inside the balloon, and when you get done looking like that, doing that, it should look a little bit like this, and make sure they're all at the bottom. Alright, and then you'll need like a tube thing, something like this. Alright, and then you'll need to blow it up. Alright, and when you get done, I just put, I think, 4 in there, but there's however many that you put in there. And after you tie it, it should look something like this, and I'll let you test this one on your own. Alright, thanks for watching.